Hi, you're opening up your venue and you're wondering what kind of grill you need? Well, I have one to show you today from Royal Catering. I already dropped some meat and some veggies on it to show you how it works. So let's just close it and let's have a look up close at the device. So first of all, if you have limited space in your kitchen, but you still want to serve steaks, and have the flexibility to do pressed sandwiches and so on, this is a perfect solution. It can do both. So let's just get through some technical details first. It works with 1.8 kilowatts of power for each heating element. It has a really nice stainless steel surface, which is really important as well because of course it is standard for all kitchen appliances in a commercial kitchen, but then again it is important for cleaning because that takes a while and you need those equipment really nice and shiny, especially if you have an open kitchen. So stainless steel is scratch proof, or actually scratch resistant. It is heat resistant as well, it won't fold or anything. And it's easy to clean and maintain. All you need is just some soapy water, you just clean it down, give it a nice polish, and you're ready to go again. Alright, moving on. You have this heat-proof plastic handle on it, which is also really important because the device will get really hot. And then you have a grilled surface, which will give you this nice grill marks characteristic on your steaks. I did get some questions of the internet frequently asked to this particular grill. First one of which is what's the surface made of? Well, the heating surface. Well, it is cast iron with a special Teflon coating that prevents food from sticking to it. But it's still a good thing to season it before you start the first time. The second question is how much it weighs, and that's also very important because, well, these devices are first of all portable. You need to be able to carry it around, wash it clean and so on, but then again you need them to sit firmly on the bench, and this one is 13.5 kilos, so it's kind of like both. You can still carry it around, but it will still stay really solid on the bench. Also, a very important question is whether you can use only one of the heating elements. Well, the answer is, of course, you can. First of all, it has two separate plugs, just like so. So you can plug it in individually. And the other thing is, when you're using controls, of course, you can still keep the one plugged in and keep it on 0, so this will not work, and you just turn on the other one. One more thing regarding the controls. You'll see those lights, so you have a power indicator and a heat indicator individually for each temperature regulation. The power, of course, indicates that the power is on, that the device is plugged in, and you're ready to just turn it up. The heating indicator, well, indicates that the device is heating up or it's chilling down. So if you set the desired temperature, the automated temperature control will sort of switch the heating element on and off. What is also a very nice feature is the fact that you have a removable drip tray. So this will collect all the excess juices, fats leaking down from your meats and burgers, whatever you're doing. So you can take it out, put it in the dishwasher, give it a run or two, or just clean it by hand, and you can put it back on, and you're ready to go again. All right, I reckon my dish is nearly done, so let's just have a look. There you go. I reckon that's definitely ready. So we have a beautiful pork neck, Barbie. You see those nice grill marks on it. We do have some veggies, some capsicum, just to keep it nice and healthy. Oh, there you go. And that's done. All right, so I hope I answered your questions. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.